Hey subbies, your girl's back. It's the first video of the new year 2018 and your girl got a couple of boxes and I want to open them up for you guys. I've been had this one from Ulta. Yes, and I got a new package the other day, so I'm going to open these up for you guys. It's not a sponsored video. Lord, trying to get in this box. This one, Ulta. It should have been open during the Christmas time, but I didn't get to do it. So Ulta, I had ordered the Lippy Countdown by NYX. So I'm going to do this one in another video, and I'm going to try on all the lipsticks for you guys so you can see how I look in all the colors. So we're not going to specialize on this one. And they gave a little free gift, but I'll talk about this one later. And my new box that I got the other day, I got to try to open up, this plastic. Yeah, my daughter, they wanted to know what's in this box. Mommy, you got a box. None of your business. It's all mine. So what I've been trying to do is I'm getting a subscription to different boxes. And the first one that I joined is the brown sugar box. Yes, so I'm going to open this one up for you guys. Yeah, I'm a brown sugar girl. It's a brown thing. So, the box is cute. Pink. Little girl chewing a little bubblegum over here. This is cute. Brown sugar, you got it going on. Izzy and Liv. They got their little name on the front of the box. So, I'm going to try to open this up nicely so I can see what's in here and share it with you guys. Looks like they got a little saying on the front of the box. Hey girl, hey. Here's the tea. I ain't one to gossip, but did you know you could win your next box for free? Yes. So, in the box, it comes like this. And the first thing I see, they have a book, with some information in here, some good reads about our brown sugar girls. And then the first thing I see on here looks like I got a t-shirt. Let's see. Oh, look at here, look at here. Yes, that's nice. And it looks like we have a little pad, rejoicing my time. Now in the brown sugar box, they give you quite a few little things. Oh, this looks nice. Let me open it up for you guys.
Looks like it's a cameo.
Come on. Oh, y'all know I'm not good with these words. Oh, yes. This is nice. Yeah. Got a little belt. Come on now. It looks like it's a box about celebrating yourself, reclaiming my time, and that's what I'm talking about, because 2018 is all about me. Brown sugar new. Yes. It looks like we got a DVD. Generation 1 is called. I'm gonna tell you guys, you know, I don't tell my age, but I'm at that age where you know we need those little glasses. And I don't have them. And it looks like I could claim a free 5-ounce bath bomb. Got the nice little paper up in there. And what is this? This package nice. Trying to see how to open up this little bag here. I didn't want to just tear everything up, you know, just like acting like I don't get anything new. Look, brown sugar, you did that. See what we got in here. It looks like it's a nightgown. It says, wake up, pray, grind, and repeat. And that's what I'm talking about, because a little later, you know my name is GP Cupcake Whisperer, so I will start showing you my cupcakes. Well, that looks like that's it. It's reclaiming the time for you. And they got nice things for reclaiming your time. A movie. Have your little bath beforehand. Get your movie ready, your DVD. Put on your little gown. This is for when you go to sleep. Got your little robe and a t-shirt when you step out the next day. Thanks, brown sugar. I can't wait to get my next box. Hey, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Thumbs up, and don't forget to hit. I put out the next video because I'm getting better now. I'm going to be putting out some more videos for the new year. So hit the subscribe and peace.